How are we doing today? My name's Yanni.
My name is G.
My name is Guillermo.
And welcome to
Cozymeal
Cozymeal Studios. On this channel, we want to show you how you can cook the most delicious recipes, all of which are built by culinary professionals.
All these recipes have been tested for ages and approved by world-renowned chefs.
And guess what? We focus on dishes that are not only delicious, but easy to prepare. And variety is truly our motto, because we have recipes from breakfast, lunch, dinner,
Side dishes, appetizers, desserts.
Brunch, snacks, cocktails.
whatever you're looking for, we'll have it. And if you're still wondering what we're talking about, well, take a look yourself.
Warm, fluffy sweet potato biscuits are a cozy blend of autumn in every single bite.
Shrimp fajitas are the perfect hot summer meal with plump, juice shrimp and tender, charred vegetables.
Are you ready for some juicy, flavorful roast beef sliders?
In a bowl, add the self-rising flour.
Once the tortilla starts to crisp, add the shredded chicken and shredded cheese.
You want all the ingredients to heat evenly until the butter has melted.
Plate the mushrooms with lemon wedges and enjoy.
My name's Yanni,
My name is G.
My name is Guillermo.
and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.